Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Agwam. MQ, welcome to Trending today.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us. Nigerians will soon thank me, my administration, for taking tough decisions. Tinubu says, I am not thinking about 2027 election. Arewa Consultative Forum set up committees to tackle insecurity in the North. Nigerians will soon thank me, my administration, for taking tough decisions. Tinubu says, I am not thinking about 2027 election. President Bola Tinubu has said that a time will come when Nigerians will appreciate his administration for taking tough decisions. Speaking at an event of the All Progressive Congress in Lagos State on Saturday, the president, who was represented by his chief of staff, Femi Gbajabiamila, also said that he is not thinking about the 2027 election. We acknowledge that our decisions have been tough, but they needed to be taken. The gains are not at the end of the tunnel. That time will come when we will all be happy and thank our government for taking those decisions. Right now, I am not thinking of the next election, but about the next generation. This is why we are implementing reforms that are long overdue. This is the hallmark of a true leader, he said. MQ.
The ones that remain will surely thank you. When you are taking a decision, you think of the people that is present. You are not thinking of the future generation. You are thinking of the people that you are governed within that your 4 years tenure. So your decision has to have human face for the present and for the future. But the present, not that when the people died finish, that the one that remains will be thanking you. I know that the way you came into the government, you are not thinking of another election, because with the vigorous power that you came with and the way, the sense you came with, it's as if you come actually, you have made up your mind what to do to register your name, to make your name in this first tenure, because the president that will be thinking of another tenure will be the way he will be doing. Your own is different.
Thank you, MQ. Arewa Consultative Forum set up committees to tackle insecurity in the North. The Arewa Consultative Forum has set up committees to tackle rising insecurity in the northern part of the country. The committees were inaugurated following a resolution reached at the ACF's Board of Trustees meeting on September 4th, 2024. In a statement by the ACF's National Publicity Secretary, Professor Tukuru Muhammad Baba, the Unity, Peace and Reconciliation Committee chaired by Alhaji Yayele Ahmed was mandated to propose realistic strategies to foster harmony and dialogue across northern communities. He said the initiative stems from concerns over the worsening state of intergroup relations in the region, which have hampered peaceful coexistence and development. MQ.
Now that the leaders of the North are waking up from their slumber, that we know now they want to cooperate with the government. I know the lasting solution will be found on it. I know this end has come. That will be the achievement of this government of Bola Tinubu. We thank God now that the leaders have now said that he don't do them. Maybe the money they are making from there, it don't do them, or maybe the politics they are using, they don't say the thing don't they turn around. This stubborn man from Lagos State will not agree. So now they now say, okay, we surrender. Let's cooperate with the country for the benefit of all, not only the North, for the benefit of all.
Thank you, MQ, for coming to Trending today.
Thank you for listening to my music.
Thank you for watching us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our unified handle, Procyon TV. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Agbo. Keep shining like the star you are.